Hey guys, it's Angie. I'm super excited to say that my mystery box finally arrived today. Stay tuned and let's see what's in this thing. So let me tell you a little bit about this mystery box. Now, if you follow the bin pickers, they get inventory from one of their friends, Van. Now, the bin pickers have been for a long time one of my top favorite YouTubers out there. I just love their whole family, and Michelle and Greg are just amazing people. They're full-time resellers and they do mostly clothes, which to me is super impressive. I do a lot of hard goods and things, and I find just doing clothes really difficult. So it's very impressive that they do that. Well, one day they mentioned that Van was going to do mystery boxes, so I immediately signed up and said, yes, Van, if you're going to do any of those, I would love to be able to get one of those and see what we get. Now, I'm in Florida, so they are in Chicago. They definitely get different brands than I can get down here, so for me, it's a win-win. And Van has just been super great. Unfortunately, Van shipped this box to me, goodness, 15 days ago. It was supposed to be here a week ago, last Monday or Tuesday, and the post office lost the box, of course. But finally, after I called the post office and Van got a supervisor involved, we finally got this thing delivered. It was lost in transit for a long time, so I'm super excited for it to be here. But I figured, let's open it up and see what Van sent to us. Okay, this thing is heavy. I think it's like 25 pounds. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't want to get this too. Oh my gosh, it's so packed full. Okay, let me show you. It is slam full, clear to the top. And I'm going to set it down. Whew, it's heavy. And let's see what we got. Nice. It's a little Gap Kids. Look how cute. Little flannel. It's perfect for this time of year. And it is an 8 to 9 years. So cute. And I love to get stuff like that because, like I said, in Florida we have a whole lot of short sleeve. This is a no comments 1X. Look at how cute this is. I'm guessing it's a tunic because it's a 1X. But with the belt and it's brand new with tags. Love this. Love the color. It's coral. Oh, how nice. This is Charlotte Russe. Very nice. Long, one of those dusters. Oh, and I love the bottom. It has a little fringe at the bottom. That's super cute. This actually, it's a size extra small. One of my daughters may actually want that because they love dusters. Ah! Look at this! A Scooby-Doo. Well, I sell a ton of plush, so I love him. He's a Thai. I didn't even know that Thai had Scooby-Doo, so that's awesome. Okay. Then we have, oh, another new tag. Metro Concepts. Size large men's shirt. It's actually a super nice print. Nice. Oh, this dress is so cute. A 9 West. I love the pleated skirt. It is, oh, and it has little straps. It's a size 6 9 West dress. Really like this. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's still so full, y'all. It's so many things. Okay, this is brand new with tags too. Hippie Laundry. I have never heard of Hippie Laundry before. That is awesome. And this, oh, look how cute. It's a little spaghetti strap. This is great for like festivals. And then we have a Pink Republic, extra small, and it's a cute dress. I love the back. Look at the open back. So nice. Very nice pattern too. Nice. What do we have here? Oh, look how cute this is. It's a 3-piece set. Oh, it's for Carter's 12 months. Look at how sweet. Little baby elephants, and the pants have elephants on them too. And then this one is just a striped tee. So cute, 3-piece set. And then First Impressions little shorts, 2T. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. These are Zana D or Dye jeans, size 18. Oh, they're shorts. That's pretty cool. The dark wash. It's actually, I love these like Bermuda. Super nice. Ah! Little Simba plush. And another little kitty. He's a tie too. Oh, so cute. And then let's see. These are Drapers and Damons. New tag. Pants. Retail $55. And they're just like a very light blue, sky blue. Nice. Okay. Guys, look at this. I barely even got into it at all, so this is great. Way more items than I expected. Oh, Forever 21. This is adorable. It's actually my daughter's birthday, and I think I'm going to show her this because I think she's going to want to wear this today. Okay, actually her birthday is tomorrow, but she's going out with friends tonight to celebrate. What is this? Babu? Size large? Love this too. I love that it's kind of like a cardigan, but it has just the one button. That is super cute. Oh my goodness. Clifford! He's big too. I love him. And then Chaps Denim. And these are cord. Orange, size 4. They're like this burnt orange color. This is perfect color for fall. Nice. And, aw, a little bat. He's so cute. Well, Van, you have quite a variety of stuff. This is awesome. Topshop Moto USA 10. Cute skirt. Look at this. With the zipper down the front, and the back is just a cute jean skirt. Cute. Have I said cute 1,000 times yet? This is Calm Orange. It's Universal Threads, brand new. I guess it's one of those cowl scarves that you put on. Nice. Oh, look how cute. So this tells me that Van has definitely looked at my channel and watched my channel because I love plush. Okay, what else do we have here? This is Liz Claiborne, extra large. And it is a ribbed, stretchy tank top. Nice. And then this is Old Navy. This is a boys or a youth, size 14, 16. Very nice. Another plush. Oh my goodness, who is he? Angry Birds. I love this. Look at his feathers on his head. Oh my gosh. That's adorable. And Jack from The Incredibles. Cute. Then we have Aeropostale. I would imagine these are either Bailey's or just jeggings. Yep, jeggings. My daughter used to live in these. Here you go, size 12s. And they're super, super great shape. Everything so far is just been in really amazing shape. So Van definitely has a good eye for things. And then this one is Chesley, I guess. Also new with tags. Very cool open weave little, I guess like a crop sweater. Excuse me. Another tank from Liz Claiborne. Oh good, I'll sell these two together. Nice. Then, nice. New day. New with tag gloves. And I like them. They have the scrunchy tops. And then Gap jeans mini skirt. Cute. It is a size 6. Oh my goodness. The bottom is stuff. Let me pick this up here so I can get to it. We have 2 Angry Birds, the red ones. Cute. And then a bunch of Minions. Look at how cute. And I can sell these as a little collection of Minions. Wait, I have 3 more. I love these guys. A pirate one. There you go. And then for the plush, finally a little Care Bear with the flower on them. Collector's edition, does it say Harmony Bear? Yeah, so cute. And he is definitely like a lilac, and he looks like a blue in my camera. Okay, and then hung over. That's so, it looks so sweet, like it's a grandma mug, and then it says hung over. I love it. Someone will think that is funny. Oh, then a little Cat and Jack shoes. Oh, how sweet. Look at these. These are adorable. And 2 more things, looks like. Oh, cool. It is, oops, I had a glass on there and then a Christmas candle. Oh, with little snowmen inside the candle. That I'll keep because I love that. And then finally, we have another brand new with tags, Old Navy. Flare jeans, let's see what size they are. Size 20. And they're brand new. Like a medium wash. Oh, I like they have the worn in look. Super nice. Well, that was a whole lot of items. Best I can see is that was about 45 items packed, crammed full in one box. I'm super excited with everything that I got. I think it was, Van really took the time to get to know me and what some of the things that I sell, so I think that's super great, and I truly, truly appreciate it. And I love to do mystery boxes because you just never know what you're going to end up with. So it was super fun to just dig into a box where literally I didn't have the foggiest idea what was going to be in there. So that was super, super fun. Van, you are the best. I truly appreciate you sending that, and for all your patience for it taking so long to get here. And Michelle and Greg, thank you for everything that y'all do and for just being a great inspiration for other folks like me who are part-time sellers who just really are impressed by everything you do every day. Okay, that's it for today. Hey, if you liked this unboxing, give me a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified the next time I am on. Until next time, I'm Angie. Have a great day. Bye.